In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set HRIS and goals in Zoho People. To begin, sign into your Zoho People account and make sure you are on the main dashboard or any page where you can see the top navigation bar. The setup we are doing lives in the administrative area, so you will want to work from an account that has permission to access settings and performance configuration. First, go to the top of the page and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps the controls for configuring how different HR processes work, including performance management. Once you are in Settings, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place by looking at the menu options available. You should see a left sidebar with different categories. Next, in that left sidebar, click Performance. This section controls how performance reviews, goals, and evaluation frameworks are managed across your organization. Entering Performance will bring you into a set of tools that define the structure behind appraisals rather than individual employee entries. After you are inside the Performance area, look toward the top menu within this section and click Performance Methods. Performance methods define the approach your organization uses to evaluate employee performance, such as goal-based reviews or competency-based frameworks. Selecting the correct method is important because it determines what managers and employees will see during the review cycle. Now, within Performance Methods, choose the option to type or select KRA and goals as the method. KRA stands for Key Result Areas, and it is used to connect performance evaluation to measurable outcomes and role responsibilities. When you set the method to KRA and goals, you are telling Zoho People that performance will be tracked and assessed using defined result areas and specific goals. Finally, approve it as a KRA to align it with responsibilities. This approval step helps ensure the method is correctly tied to job expectations, so KRAs and goals map cleanly to the work a role is accountable for. Take your time here and confirm you are selecting the option that explicitly aligns KRAs with responsibilities, since that alignment is what makes goal tracking more meaningful during appraisals. Once you have approved it, your KRA and goals performance method is set and ready to be used within your performance process. That covers everything you need to know.